The 2024 Suzuki Swift is a compact car that combines fun driving with excellent fuel economy. Priced from £17,994, it offers great value, especially with its standard features. It's smaller and lighter than many rivals, embodying Suzuki's design philosophy of Shoshoke Tanbi, meaning smaller, fewer, lighter, shorter, and beauty. The Swift is powered by a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine with 81 brake horsepower. While not turbocharged, its lightweight ensures decent acceleration. The manual gearbox is precise, enhancing the driving experience. However, the ride can be firm, and road noise is noticeable. Inside, the Swift offers a good driving position with adjustable steering. Visibility is excellent, aided by tall side windows. The interior, though lacking soft touch materials, is smartly designed. A 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is standard, though its response time could be better. Front seats are roomy, and rear access is decent. While rear space is less than some rivals, it's comfortable for two 6-footers. The boot offers 265 liters, accommodating 5 carry-on suitcases, but lacks a height-adjustable floor. The Swift's starting price is higher than some competitors, but it includes many standard features like LED headlights and adaptive cruise control. Its mild hybrid technology aids fuel economy, achieving 64.2 miles per gallon. Attractive finance deals make it appealing for buyers.